Clean and disinfect. Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
We bring you detailed information
and other automotive goodness.
So please remember to like, subscribe, ring notification bell, share with your friends, and check out the merch below. Or the merch below. I always do that. The link below.
Yeah.
In the description will have
Well, it does link to the merch.
Yes.
But thank you for checking that out. We really do appreciate it.
Hey, one other thing, guys. I said this in the last video. I'm going to say it again. Those subscriber count of our unsubscribed people watching, it's still up there. So help us, please.
Yeah.
Like we need more of you to subscribe that are watching, please. And of course, thank you to our subscribers. We love you guys.
We really appreciate it.
Okay,
we today I don't even know what's going. This is a surprise.
we got a box.
We got a box.
And I kind of I remember because I saw who it was, so I know what it
Yeah.
is. But I forgot it was coming. So let's open it.
Another box from our good friends at
Turtle Wax.
Turtle Wax.
Hey, I don't know if you can hear, the rain just picked up quite a bit.
It's literally raining in the desert. Awesome.
And there's a nice chill. Go ahead.
All right, I got the best part.
Paper. And there's a bottle for us.
What? Ooh, what is? Oh,
Remember?
Cleaner and disinfectant.
There it is.
You know, and we're all, you know, this is on our minds these days, right?
That's right.
Disinfectant.
We don't need this either.
Multi-purpose. The rain is getting louder.
Yes. Enjoy the raindrops.
Multi-purpose cleaner and disinfectant. Oh wow! 24-hour surface sanitizing action.
Okay.
Here, I'll show it to you. Can you see that? Oh, there's a glare. Sorry.
There's a lot of information on that bottle. On the front,
yeah.
the back.
Oh, here. I'll give you a shot of the back. Pause that if you want to read it.
But it's got the great Turtle Wax bottle with the design on there.
Yeah. Nice sprayer.
Nice green pearl on there. You like that?
I do.
Yeah. Now, I will say, I am going to pick on one thing. It's busy right here. That's all.
It's a lot of information.
But we talk about that stuff.
Yeah.
But it's good to have information. Hey, but I get it. It's sitting on a shelf. Not everybody picks it up and turns it over. Maybe. Okay.
But it's that iconic Turtle Wax green.
Yeah. So what we got? You said 24-hour surface sanitizing action. We're going to kill 99.9% of germs. Wow. It's now a hurricane outside.
Now it's like...
We might have to pause this for a moment.
We'll be right back. Just give us a second.
Sorry. All right, so let's look at this bottle. So we've got, you mentioned the 24-hour surface sanitizing action.
Yeah, that's awesome.
So there you go. We were just looking at this, right? It says cleaner and multi-purpose cleaner and disinfectant with, what is it, Ryan?
Biotrol?
Pretty sure we're saying that right.
Technology?
Technology. Not familiar with Biotrol, but it sounds biotech, I don't know.
It sounds good.
Yeah.
Turtle Wax, let us know how to pronounce that.
Yeah, let us know if we're pronouncing that incorrectly. So we're going to kill over 99.9% of germs, cold and flu viruses.
Wow.
It says 2009-H1N1 influenza A virus. Oh, I remember that one. That was way back. Respiratory. Oh boy, here we go.
Oh, another.
I'm not going to say it. Coronavirus, rotavirus, and norovirus.
Whoa.
So there you go. Keeps surfaces sanitized for a full 24 hours. Oh, we just said that. With one application. Removes dirt, stains, and so it actually cleans too. Removes dirt, stain, and odors.
Yep.
Oh, it's it.
Cleaner and disinfectant.
I just said that, didn't I? Hey, I want to keep the video interesting.
That's right.
If you listen to us talk, sometimes we're stupid, sometimes we're funny. There you go.
That's right.
All right.
Yes, I agree.
I said I'm stupid, not Ryan.
No. It's all good.
Non-staining, no bleach, no alcohol. And I'm most excited about the fresh citrus scent. 23 ounces. Kind of repeats all the information on the back.
So what are the bullet points?
Non-corrosive, no alcohol, no harsh chemical smell, no need for gloves. That's cool. Tough on dirt. Scientifically proven time release formula. That's 24 hours.
Oh, I really like that.
And
love the idea of that.
So let's see. So to disinfect and deodorize, we're going to spray on the surface until thoroughly wet. It must remain wet for appropriate contact time listed on this label. Okay, so we'll have to find that. Wipe to dry, no rinse required.
Oh,
to
okay.
sanitize, spray on surface until thoroughly wet. Let stand 10 seconds. Wipe dry. Okay, so here we go. To sanitize for 24 hours. Spray on surface till thoroughly wet. Let stand 5 minutes. Wipe dry. Reapply if surface is rinsed off before. To control mold and mildew for 7 days. Spray on surface until thoroughly wet. Allow to air dry. Reapply.
Oh, so it must
if
kill that
surface is
mold
rinsed.
then
So there
in
we
that
go.
time.
No, I'm still a little off here because to disinfect and deodorize, it said surface must be wet for appropriate contact time listed on this label. So I'm guessing that's the 5 minutes.
Yeah, that's what
It goes to
I-
sanitize, but I would say
that's the
same
way
thing.
I
Yeah.
understood it to
And then again, so that's it. Oh, you know what? I apologize. Down here, you go to viruses,
be.
and it tells you the minutes.
Oh.
It tells you how long
Oh, I see it
this
now.
needs to sit. Do you see all that? It's very,
Yes.
very small print, guys.
Well,
I don't
we'll-
even know. I'll show a picture of the label.
Yeah, we'll put up a picture of the label because this is actually, I don't know, with what's going on in the world today,
Yeah.
I find this very
and
fascinating
totally new
and I
to
like
me.
it.
Never used a product like this. So, and I don't even, there's probably not a lot of products like this out there.
But
There's
you
some,
know,
but-
when we were a part of the Turtle Wax event where they briefly touched on this product,
yeah.
they did show how like surfaces in most vehicles are quite disgusting.
You have no idea.
I mean,
think about it.
Most people don't think about really cleaning their car. Now, you and I and our audience,
Right.
we're car enthusiasts, car detailers, people who like to keep our rides clean and shiny. We clean our cars,
But think of
the average person.
And I think that one of the
think
nastiest
so.
areas is you grab the gas pump, right? How many people touch that gas pump?
Yes.
And then you fill in gas, hands on that, off that, touching buttons on there. You get in the car, and if you don't clean off your hands, where do your hands go? Right on
The
the
steering wheel.
stereo, air
Button.
conditioning
Yep.
controls. So
Gear
that
shift.
Oh yeah.
But I'm, you know, the average person isn't cleaning their car constantly, their interior.
Exactly. So very important. Yeah, and we've seen bad interiors on those on our Facebook groups.
Yeah.
Garbage.
Disgusting.
Look at garbage.
Some crazy stuff. Maybe you don't want to look.
Yeah, maybe don't look. So back to this. So basically what it does down here, it lists all those viruses we kind of went through, bacterias and fungicidal. Fungicidal. That could be a band too.
I think it already is.
And it tells you how long it needs to sit on there.
to kill that.
So
Okay.
anywhere from 1 minute, depending on what it is, and it looks like to max thing on here is 10 minutes.
Okay.
So that's the fungus. So there you go. So really, from that point, I think we should go spray it on a panel.
And I know this isn't a glamorous product. You know, it's not. But
Not gonna see anything.
but this is it's a good thing. You know, to keep that interior clean.
yeah.
We're out here at the Saturn. The interior has not been wiped down in a long time. I just said, you know, keep your car interior clean. Well, on this
So what are we gonna see?
I haven't done this one, so.
That doesn't look dirty.
But it is. It's pretty dusty
I
down
guess
in here.
we'll find out. I'm gonna kneel
Yeah.
down here and just
Sorry
kind of
if
show
you're
this.
hearing that breeze. It's quite windy suddenly. It said to spray directly on the panel. I like the fact that it says that it's no staining, no bleach, and no alcohol. So it's not going to like destroy your interior panels. But here we go.
I'm gonna come in on you tight so we can block the wind
All right.
from these guys.
Yeah, we got a lot of crud here, so. Oops, sorry if it's going to blow into your face. It's.
Hey, it smells like
I'm
citrus.
gonna just soak it down. Oh yes, it does smell good, doesn't it?
Very good.
We haven't talked about
Not
that yet.
overly clear smell, just a good citrus scent.
Yeah, it's not super strong, but here, I'm going to show you. I'm just going to wipe this top.
And we'll let that part sit like they said, right?
Yes. Brandon, I'm a little embarrassed. I apologize, but
Did you get some crud?
yeah, it's pretty cruddy.
A little bit, yeah.
We'll let it sit right there where you're
Give it a little
grabbing.
extra.
But the rest of the door panel's just more of a
Okay, what I was
visual
about to
thing.
say that we wanted to point out this does not have any protection. Notice we didn't mention that. This
Right.
is a cleaning and disinfectant only. They have other products.
Yeah, cleaner and disinfectant.
Protecting.
So what Brandon and I were talking about after this is we would go ahead and hit your interior once it's nice and clean and disinfected. You know, we would hit it with a good interior, detailer, enhancer.
That's good.
I mean, it smells very fresh. Wipes off really good. I don't feel any residue or anything. It's a no rinse formula.
All right, we wrapped up. We got the panel cleaned and disinfected.
Yeah.
Super easy to use. You saw the dirt.
Yeah.
Ugh. Yeah.
Nasty.
Ryan. No, just kidding.
Right?
All of our cars look like that, though. I'm serious. Like they don't look that dirty. You saw the video that we did there. You just don't realize how much dirt is actually on the surfaces. Your oils and all the stuff from your skin, and then the dirt you pick up from out there in the world. You know,
all those touch points, they really get grimy no matter how much you try to keep it clean.
Good job, Turtle Wax. Hey, you know, I mean, we've always had cleaners and disinfectants that love this together, dedicated to the car. Well, I say dedicated. We were just talking about this. You could use this in your home.
Yeah, you could
anywhere
because it is
cleaner and disinfectant,
multi-purpose cleaner and disinfectant.
So
I mean, they do have a shot of interior on here, but you know,
it's gonna work for everything. Hey, go ahead.
No, I was just gonna say, you know, thank you, Turtle Wax. I mean, not a glamorous product per se, but dang, it's a good product.
Yeah, we're not talking paint popping and stuff like that here. We're talking about cleaning and disinfecting.
But heck, this is important.
Yep, important and needed more than ever when we see stuff that's going on in the world, right? So, awesome product. Thank you. Like Ryan said, thank you very much, Turtle Wax. We appreciate you keeping us up to date with your products like this.
Yeah,
and it's fun to get surprise boxes.
It is, especially, you know, good products such as this.
I can't recommend enough. Everybody go get some.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to.
You should see it on the shelves soon.
I'm going to have multiple bottles in my home.
Keep it in the car.
Yeah.
You know, in your kit. That's right, you should have a kit. We'll talk about that in another video.
Yeah, good idea.
All right, guys, let's wrap it up. This is an excellent product. We appreciate you watching. Thank you. Be sure to like us. I hope you like us.
Yeah, and if you do, please subscribe.
Those things. You heard it already.
You know, anyways.
If you watched the whole video, you already heard it. So.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Till the next video.
Thank you. We'll see you in the next one.
All right, later, guys.
The weather today.
The Dirty Rag. That's another band name. The Dirty Rag.